Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in deep cherry red. It looks great. You do have the chrome accenting up front with your Dodge badging. You also have your halogen quad headlights right there, and coming around the side we do have 17-inch rims with our tires there. Still lots of tread left on them, and the rims look great as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your Dodge badging with the Grand Caravan. You can open this up just like this. Looks great back here. Lots of space. You got that indent down there to put stuff, and they are stow and go seats, so you just gotta follow these guys. So you got 1 right here, 2 down here, 3 here, and 4 right here, and it folds right into the floor like that. Then you got even more room. You can do the same with the other side. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got your panic button up there. But let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here, plus this one opens up the windows in the very back. You got your handle here, some little accenting here, handle, and some storage here and here. Looks great in here. Very soft seats as well. God love these seats. Very comfortable. You do have the controls over your lights here, so you're off, you're on, your daytime running lights, and your in-cabin light control there. And up here we have our control over turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have how many kilometers we have right there, 45,000, not too bad at all. You can also change that around to your trip A and B. You have your distance till empty, your kilometers, your liters per 100 kilometers. Oh, let's refocus there. Then you also have the temperature outside and your back to your kilometers. That's controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. We got our gear shift right here, just like that. And then in the center you do have your radio. So you have your seek options up here, your Bluetooth options, your info, forward, rewind. You have your CD player with the eject and the tune, right, or time over there, sorry. You have your CD player there, volume up and down with the power. You have your FM, AM, and your Sirius XM all right there. Disc and aux cord. You got your presets down here, your set, list, music type setup, and your selector there. Then you also over here have your aux cord plug-in. Then down here we do have our dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of heat or cold. You have your power right there. You also have your circulation. You have where it's going to blow out of, and your defrosts over here. Eco mode. You also have your hazard lights and your traction control. You got some storage here, and right here we got some cup holders and some storage down here and some plugins. Then over here you got the top layer glove box and your bottom layer right there. Let's start her up. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Back here we do have some very nice seats, same material as the front, very comfortable. You can also fold them forward. You just got to pull this and fold them down just like that. Gives you a little bit of extra room. You also got the 3 seats back there with the cup holders back there as well. Lots of room for all of your people back here. You also have some room just down underneath the seats here. Just right there you got some storage. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video. The 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.